Welcome to Sparks Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts from our dealership to your door. Protect your Avalon with this genuine Toyota front and rear splash guard mud flap kit. These 4 quality guards shield your paint from gravel, salt, and road spray. Fits 2019 through 2022 Toyota Avalon models, including XLE, Limited, and Touring trims. Your 2019 to 2022 Avalon's paint needs protection from road debris, and these genuine Toyota mud flaps shield front and rear with seamless styling. Your 4-piece kit prevents costly paint damage and protects resale value on all corners. Genuine OEM fitment ensures durability that aftermarket alternatives can't deliver to your vehicle. Shop our full catalog of genuine OEM Toyota parts at Sparks Parts. Every purchase comes with our fitment guarantee and factory warranty. Get fast shipping on all orders. Not sure this is the right fit? Call us with your VIN ready and our parts guy will confirm you've got the perfect match. Your VIN is on your dashboard, driver's door jamb, or registration card. That 17-digit code tells us everything about your exact vehicle. Shop with Sparks Parts, genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.